It is 6 in the morning, so it's time to wake up, go in the bathroom, brush our teeth, and then go outside to get ready to sail. By the time we wake up, the sun usually just comes up, and that day we had to leave really early because of the tide. So we left at like 6 something to go on the other side of Whitehaven beach, and then the fun could begin.
We had no less than 1.4 metres of water underneath the rudder, so yes. Yeah, we were right on the edge yesterday, almost.
Good morning and welcome back to a new video of mine. Today is Saturday, I think. Today is Saturday. I really lose track of time out here. Today is Saturday and we are sailing in the Whitsundays right now, which is absolutely beautiful. So I thought I might show you what like a day in my life looks like. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we have a lot of like different gear, so I always make sure in the morning I charge everything so we don't miss to get some nice footage. Sunrise and darkness. That's the Whitsundays, baby. Guys, we're on the Whitsundays. The sun is coming up there. It starts to rain here. We're trying to fly the drone and it's just very crazy right now. Okay, so we went back to the boat and picked up the girls. There she is. Put back the drone because it was a bit too scary. Got a dry bag and now we can enjoy the Whitsundays. We made it! You can see all the rays down there. Show us what you can. Nice. So as you can see, we stopped at Whitehaven beach, and because we didn't have enough water on board to just waste it on washing our hair, we washed our hair and our skin and everything on the beach with the sand, because some people say that the sand is so fine that you can use it to wash your hair. So we tried that and it definitely didn't work, but oh well. Alright, so the sun came out and it is beautiful. We're the only ones at Whitehaven beach. The girls are somewhere back there. Felix is here and it is absolutely stunning. The sand is so nice. But yeah, we came with our little dinghy, or however you call them, like the little speedboats, and we dragged it on the sand so the tide wouldn't get it. And now it's like proper out on the sand, so we need to try to get it back to the boat. On the way in, it was super wavy and loads of water came into our boat, so we had to get that all out. And then eventually we waded back to the boat, even though it was super wavy again. And yeah, as you can see, we had some difficulties as usual, but we all fixed it. Okay, so Jenny's making breakfast. We're making oatmeal. So we have that running right now. And yeah, this here's the kitchen. And we also got the water maker running so we can get some fresh water. And yeah, outside is looking grayer and grayer. But we're just gonna make that, eat it for breakfast. I think it's like 10 now, and then we're good to go. We had breakfast at 10:30 and then we left Whitehaven Beach and went sailing again, where the waves got very big, but was all alright. And yeah, we've even seen some dolphins. You can't really see them that much in the video, but they were so cute. We're somewhere near Butterfly Bay now. The plan changed a bit. It started to get super windy. The waves went like pretty big, didn't they? And then yeah, it all just went a bit sideways, so sail ripped and we had to get it back in. And yeah, changed plans, and now we're in Butterfly Bay.
I think we're here.
So we're just looking at the yeah, at like a book to see where the snorkeling is good and where we should go. My hair looks horrible after being out for like 3 days, but this is the bathroom view right now. So it's not too bad. Alright, we're having a snack. Okay, we just took some Polaroid photos, and now we're gonna go with a little boat and take it all the way over there to the next bay.
Please give me your boat name, please.
Alright, we're back from our little excursion to the other bay, and Ted and I went snorkeling, and you should be able to see it on the footage from the GoPro, but it was real nice. We've seen a turtle and a couple of real nice big fish and a baby shark, so that was real nice. And now yeah, I think it's like 3:30. It feels like it's way later, and I was a bit cold, so I put on a jumper. And yeah. Alright, so it is nearly 5 now, and we've just been laying in bed chilling for a bit, because usually like the days are like real long if you wake up super early. So we just been chilling and watched a series, like an episode, and now we're all gonna read our books outside, so let's do that. And then it's vino o'clock. Cheers! And the sun is going down. I don't know what time it is. It is... yeah, nearly 6. So it is a bit later now. I don't know what time it is. And Ted is trying to get some squid. So he put the light in the water.
Get some little buggy things skimming around, and then the fish come to eat them.
And we made dinner. So we made couscous with vegetables. So that's nearly done. And then out here we had on the barbecue and put some sweet potatoes and potatoes. And they're nearly done as well. Here they are. Woohoo! Family dinner served. Obviously, when we're sailing, we don't have service. So you can't really do anything on your phone. So we usually just spend evenings reading, playing games, and just chilling. And then we usually go to bed early, and we might still watch another episode of Netflix. That's about it. It's about 9 now, and I'm gonna go and brush my teeth and get ready, and then maybe read a bit and then go to bed, or maybe watch an episode.
So I just brushed my teeth, and now I'm just gonna wipe my face with these like baby wipes, and that's literally my hair as well. But that's yeah, that's the night routine. Nothing special to it. I haven't showered in 3 days, but we will come back to shore tomorrow, so I'm gonna have a nice shower there. But yeah, I guess I'll see you in the morning.
I decided to finish that video here because it's already quite long, but we just spent the night reading and then we went to bed. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give it a thumbs up and follow me if you want to see more of that kind of stuff. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!